What if your WordPress site could offer 24/7 customer support, guide visitors through your content, and capture leads all automatically? With FastBots.ai, you can do all of this in under 5 minutes. No coding required, and it's completely free. Let me show you how. FastBots.ai is the ultimate platform for WordPress AI chatbots. It's designed for everyone, from bloggers to enterprise businesses. Here's why. It supports 95+ languages for global audiences. It manages chat histories and email follow-ups automatically. And it scales seamlessly, whether you're handling a few or thousands of visitors at once. Before we start, here's what you need. A live WordPress site, a free FastBots.ai account, some content for training, like FAQs or PDFs, admin access to install WordPress plugins. Go to FastBots.ai, click Sign Up, and create your free account. Once you're in, you'll access the dashboard, the command center for your chatbot. FastBots.ai makes training simple. You can upload files like PDFs or let it scan your website for content. In minutes, your chatbot organizes this information into a structured knowledge base, ready to answer questions intelligently. Now, it's time to make your chatbot unique. Use the Tune AI feature to set the tone, formal, casual, or playful. You can also choose an AI model that fits your needs, like GPT-4 Mini for general use or Gemini Pro for advanced scenarios. Personalize your chatbot's look to match your brand. Add your logo, choose custom colors, and create a welcoming message, like, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" Preview your design, make adjustments, and ensure it blends perfectly with your site. Deploying your chatbot is quick. Install the FastBots.ai plugin in your WordPress dashboard, paste your source URL and bot ID, and click Save Changes. That's it. Your chatbot is live and ready to help visitors. To unlock its full potential, explore advanced features like multi-language support for a global audience, lead generation tools to capture user details, CRM integration for seamless customer management. Plus, use analytics to track performance and refine your chatbot over time. Not sure how to use your chatbot? Here are some ideas. Provide instant answers to FAQs for customer support. Collect emails to generate leads effortlessly. Guide visitors to key pages for improved navigation. Recommend products and assist with orders for e-commerce. With FastBots.ai, creating a powerful AI chatbot for your WordPress site is simple, fast, and free. Ready to transform your website? Head over to FastBots.ai and get started today. The link is in the description below.